Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have a beautiful wig to install and talk about. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and installs. You wanna take a piece of my heart. Today's hair sponsor is Cheetah Beauty Hair. I have collaborated with them once before. What I have installed today is a 28-inch 13x6 HD frontal wig in the density 180%. This is their deep wave texture.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Look how much lace you have on this wig. So I'm definitely going to be using some lace tint. I would say remove this lace because when you're flipping your hair, trust me, it's gonna show. There's so many times where I'm like, oh, I'm looking so cute, and then a video and it's like, oh, with that little piece there. Okay, so it does have a glueless band as well. It's a little low. It's like all the way at the back, but nonetheless, it's still there. Okay, we're using Evan. You can place it on wet.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
Base melt. Whoa.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my
Okay. Okay, double melt band. I feel like this tweezer isn't removing anything. I don't know, is it? Barely.
brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing's
Okay, we're gonna go shorter. I'm gonna go in with this melt spray. Spray, hold, and mold. Just trying something. I don't know how I'm gonna braid with these long ass nails. Anyone who can braid with these long ass nails, you deserve an award.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
If you guys have been paying attention, you know we have to clean up the part.
We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chance?
with the 2 money piece and the middle part braided section here to showcase the deep parting space. I think I want to also try it in a different style, so stick around for that.
If I go, I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got
Now
this life.
we should be able to just add it to this section.
No guarantees the stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Would he prey on my weakness? Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my.
Do we see this part? Oh my goodness, you guys. I didn't even know it went further back, but it goes all the way back. It's beautiful. Love it so much. Definitely recommend you guys checking this out before you go because this is cute. Let me know which style is your favorite, guys. 1, 2, or 3. This is the 3rd. Let me know which one is your favorite. This is probably my favorite style, so I think I'm gonna do the outro on this look. What I did do to this wig before we got here was bleach the knots. The wig does come pretty jet black. I really like it. I think it's beautiful. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. I would recommend checking them out because it's beautiful. If you like jet black wigs and you know that really big parting space that you can do all sorts of updos and styles with, definitely get this because this one is definitely a game changer for that alone. I'll catch you guys later in another review. Bye.